Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we are at Excellerators, page 41, and we are looking at some lip slur exercises. And these, song 120 of the Excellerators on page 41 is great for younger kids to get used to how we can do all these multiple pitches. Hold on a second. And I would modify it a little bit. I would do for the G's to the D's, I would do the low G. But you can find that on my warm-up page of the Emery Remington stuff. And if I remember, I will attach that because right now I'm not sure. I know I have those loaded up, but here we go. This is 120, mostly lip work. 8, 5, 8, no, 8, 5, 1, 5, 8. Drop a half step. 8, 5, 1, 5, 8. Back in. Alright, let's jump down to 134. 134 is an exercise all tongued and just working in the key of F. Oh, okay. 1 and 2. Let's try that again. And then 143, very similar to 120 in terms of the pitches, but we're doing eighth notes and some different phrases a little bit. Try that again, and I will do that last D as a natural lip slur. Alright, let's finish up. Page 41, 152. We're in the key of B flat, and looks like we're doing some modes, but half modes. No, let's try that. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.